In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Gemini loading very slowly. You've probably been there, frustrated with lengthy loading times that can disrupt your workflow and test your patience. Fortunately, we're going to tackle this issue step by step, ensuring that by the end of this guide, you'll have Google Gemini operating at optimal speed. To begin, we'll start by opening Chrome. This is the browser that most of us use, and it's where we'll apply all our changes. Once you have Chrome up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser. Here, you'll find a series of 3 dots, which is essentially your shortcut to accessing more advanced settings. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. You'll be greeted with a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says Delete Browsing Data. This step is crucial because a lot of times, accumulated data over time, like cache and cookies, can slow down your browsing experience significantly. Once you've selected Delete Browsing Data, you'll be prompted with another set of options. Here, it's important to clear your browser cache and cookies. Doing so will free up space, allowing Chrome to operate more efficiently. Not only does this improve the loading speed of websites like Google Gemini, but it also generally enhances your browsing experience across the board. But that's not all. Another potential speed bump is your Chrome extensions. These can be incredibly useful, but having too many running at once or having one misbehaving can definitely slow things down. For this reason, we'll need to temporarily disable your extensions. Don't worry, this is a reversible process, and you can always re-enable them later once we've assessed which, if any, are causing issues. Additionally, ensuring that your browser is up to date is often overlooked, yet it's crucial. Developers frequently release updates to enhance performance and security, so check and see if there's a new version of Chrome available. If there is, take a moment to update it. Once you are done with updating, remember to relaunch the browser. This helps apply all the new settings and updates you've just configured, a fresh start, if you will, for a more efficient browsing experience. By following these steps, you should notice a significant improvement in how quickly Google Gemini loads. Remember, regular maintenance like this helps ensure that all your browsing activities, not just Google Gemini, run smoothly. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you notice a decline in performance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your Google Gemini experiences faster and more enjoyable.